If you're having trouble accessing documents on Canvas that are from the Google Drive, you might need to check your settings. To do so, click on your profile picture in the top left-hand corner, and then click on Settings. From there, you have this Web Services section. If your Google Drive is not registered, it's going to be over on this side. So if it is, you want to click on it so that it registers, and then you'll see the Google Drive over here. And that, if that's the issue, then you should be able to start accessing assignments that are attached or linked from the Google Drive. If your Google Drive is already registered and you see it on the left side, then there might be another issue going on. So then contact your teacher to get more solution options.